Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Listen to the video and subscribe. Today's topic is Eid ul-Fitr. The word Eid means happiness. When we fast for Allah during the month of Ramadan, He is pleased with us and gives us the gift of Eid. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated on the 1st of Shawwal. On this day, everyone wakes up early, baths and puts on new clothes and goes to the Eidgah, a large place where Eid prayer is offered. On the way, they keep reciting the Takbir-e-Tashriq. Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd. There is no azan before the Eid prayers. Since Allah the Almighty has given us the gift of Eid, we offer our thanks to Him by offering Eid prayer. Our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, has instructed us to take different routes for reaching the Eidgah and for returning from there so that we can meet and greet the maximum number of Muslims. Eid is a very special day for Muslims. When people meet, they greet and embrace each other to express their love for fellow Muslims. They visit relatives and friends and give gifts and sweets to each other. All these acts increase love and brotherly feelings. Thank you.